Magandang hapon po ng March 7, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 7, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, March 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for March 7, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 37.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 10.5 million pesos for March 7, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for March 7, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.